According to the proposed monthly tariffs, broadcasters will pay 79,323 shillings this year from the current 128,000 shillings per site per megabit if they need their content distributed within Nairobi, and 29,295 shillings outside Nairobi from the current 93,000 shillings.
So taking into account all the costs, we came up with annual charges and then worked out what those should be per megabit per second for each site that's being used to broadcast television.
For those seeking wider reach, satellite reception fee stands at 579 shillings per megabit in Nairobi and 731 shillings per megabit outside Nairobi.
Interacted with the consultants at some stage, and what we are seeing now is the proposal for the new changes. To us, we would have expected that the changes would be a bit higher, because what we have been having is really some bit of a...
However, according to the consultant, Kenya cannot sustain more than 2 signal distributors for the entire country, as the amount of capital needed to set up infrastructure such as site is exorbitant. The International Telecommunication Union had advised Kenya to have 2 broadcast signal distributors due to limited spectrum.
Because of the cost challenges in the more rural areas, we found it's difficult to sustain more than 2 truly national broadcast signal distributors. Yeah, we think 2 is better than 1 because it allows for some competition between the signal distributors. But recognising the reality of the market in rural areas, we think it's unlikely that more than 2 are going to be viable.
Currently, only Signet and Pan-African Network Group have been issued with licenses and make up 80% coverage with 72 sites which they share. On the other hand, African Digital Networks and Bamba currently have self-provisioning licenses from the CA. The recommendations on charges for signal distribution will be deliberated by stakeholders and are expected to be implemented next month. Ronald Owili, News Hour Business.